This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make red velvet truffles. First, you'll need a baked red velvet cake. Crumble the cake thoroughly into a large mixing bowl, making sure there are no big chunks left. This step is crucial for achieving that perfectly smooth truffle consistency. A fine crumb will help the mixture bind together beautifully, setting the stage for delicious treats. Next, add your cream cheese frosting to the crumbled red velvet cake. Use a sturdy spoon or your hands to mix everything together until it forms a uniform, pliable dough. This mixture should be firm enough to roll, but still moist. Once combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for at least 30 minutes. Chilling helps the truffles hold their shape better. Now it's time to shape your truffles. Take small portions of the chilled mixture and roll them into 1-inch balls. For the coating, melt your preferred chocolate, whether it's white or dark. Carefully dip each red velvet truffle into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's completely covered. A fork can help you manage this step without making a mess. Finally, let's add some flair. While the chocolate coating is still wet, you can sprinkle on some festive decorations or add a contrasting chocolate drizzle. Once decorated, place the truffles on parchment paper and let the chocolate set completely. This usually takes about 15 minutes in the refrigerator. Store your delicious red velvet truffles in an airtight container for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.